it's your girl Mo of all things MoElle. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be trying out the newest clay wash from Chocolate Kinks Kurls. They just released their Vian Cocoa Creme and Strawberry Clay Wash that has Rasul and red clay. It was just released like 2 weeks ago. Your girl has already gotten her hands on it and we are going to be trying it out, doing a little first impressions type situation for today's video. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we get into it, I would love to have you as part of the MoElle-ian fam. So if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 5K. I'm trying to get there. While you're down there, hit that notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. So yeah, if you're no stranger to my channel, you already know how I feel about the clay washes from Chocolate Kinks Kurls. I feel like they are some of the best clay washes on the market. They're cleansing, they're detoxing, but they're also nourishing and moisturizing. They always have great ingredients. I like the fact that they got some good slip and that they have a little bit of lather, because although it is a clay product, I just like the fact that it lathers when I'm cleansing my hair. The lather just makes me feel like it's getting extra clean, so I appreciate that. And yeah, I have not met a Chocolate Kinks Kurls clay mask or clay wash that I didn't like, and I've tried all of them with the exception of the green mint one. I've used all the other ones and I'm obsessed. So when I saw that she was releasing this clay wash, I had to get it. I actually picked up two because why not? And so yeah, we're going to be trying it out today. Now normally the way that I have incorporated clay washes into my natural hair regimen is I use them as a second cleanse. So normally I will go in and shampoo my hair and then I'll go in with a clay wash and then I'll deep condition. But today we are going to be using this as the only cleanser just to see how well it really does cleanse the hair. So I have this cap on because my hair has pre-poo in it, which means it's got a lot of gunk in it. So we're really going to be putting this to the test today to see how well it performs. So it claims to detox, condition, help in length retention, and scalp health. It says our Vian Cocoa Creme and Strawberry Clay Wash combines the power of Rasul clay, red clay, shikakai, and aretha, leaving you with hair that is gently detoxed, cleansed, conditioned, strengthened, as well as a nourished scalp. So as far as notable ingredients, water infused with hibiscus, marshmallow root, Rasul clay, red clay, BTMS, cetyl alcohol, beetroot, aretha, shikakai, betaine anhydrous, glycerin, strawberry extract, cocoa butter, shea butter, grapeseed oil. Yeah, we just gonna try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, like, I got a lot of gunk in my hair from the pre-poo. So yeah, we really gonna be putting this bad boy to the test today. So because the clay washes can be a little bit messy, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the shower and we're going to get it popping over there. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so we are in the shower, and before I apply the clay, I'm just going to give my hair a good rinse under the warm water. I really want to make sure that I get as much of the pre-poo out as possible before going in with the clay. So I am just rinsing my hair with the warm water, and then I'm going to go ahead and unravel the twist in this first section because I want my hair to be loose while I apply the clay, just again to make sure that I'm doing a thorough cleanse and a thorough detox. So here she is, the star of the show. So immediately I noticed the smell of this product. It smells like chocolate covered strawberries to me, with an emphasis on the chocolate. It smells so good. It smells so yummy. Normally I don't really like food smells in my hair, but this one smells nice. It smells like chocolate covered strawberries. So as far as the consistency, this one is a very thick clay. It's more reminiscent to me of the regular Rasul clay, the Rasul Cocoa Creme clay, and the red clay and hibiscus one. It's kind of like a fusion of both of those, honestly, in my opinion. Both of those are on the thicker side, and this consistency is very similar. So just like the other clay washes, as I mentioned earlier in the video, this one does have a little lather too, which I actually really like. But like I said, it is really thick, so I found myself having to like dip my head under the water just to make sure that the product was being evenly distributed. But I like it to be thick. That is what I expect from a clay
wash, I just wanted to make sure that I was distributing the product evenly throughout my hair. So what I did was I started off by applying it to my scalp first, and then just kind of worked it down the length of my hair. And as you can see, this product does have slip to the point to where I was able to finger detangle. I didn't go in with a detangling tool only because I had used a detangling tool when I pre-pooed my hair, so I just used my fingers, and this product honestly did not disappoint. It reminds me a lot of all of her other clay washes, especially the red clay and hibiscus one, which is actually my favorite. This one reminded me a lot of that and performed very similarly. It did a great job of, you know, just cleansing my hair, detoxing my hair. I can already see my curls starting to pop with this product in it. So yeah, it just was doing a great job. So all I'm really doing is applying it section by section, making sure to work it in really, really good, because like you guys saw, I did have a lot of pre-poo in my hair, and I just wanted to, you know, give this product its best shot of working well. So I'm just really taking my time and working it through my strands. So now that I have applied the clay wash to all 4 sections of my hair, now we can get into rinsing, which is honestly my favorite part of doing these clay washes. I just feel like it's so gratifying once you rinse it and your curls are popping, and this experience was no different. But one thing that I really do like about Chocolate Kinks and Kurls clay washes is that I don't have to really work a lot when it comes to rinsing. Like, I feel like whenever I do my DIY bentonite clay masks or Roswell clay masks, like, they are really, really hard to rinse all the way out of your hair. And one thing I like about these clay washes is that it's just a little bit easier. However, with this experience, it took me a little bit to get all of the clay out of my hair, but I really think that's due to the pre-poo that I decided to use, because that pre-poo was super thick. It has a lot of herbs and a lot of oils in it, and I really just think that this clay wash just kind of latched onto those oils, and therefore it was hard to get all of it out of my hair. So I think for that reason, moving forward, I will continue to incorporate this in my regimen the way that I have, which is either as a second cleanse or as a co-wash, if I have not gone in with that particular pre-poo, because I just think it would work better that way. However, performance-wise, I think this product did exactly what I needed it to do, exactly what I expected it to do, despite the fact that it took me a while to get all of it out of my hair. My hair was detoxed, my hair felt revived, my curls were popping like they always are whenever I use a Chocolate Kinks and Kurls clay wash. And yeah, this experience was no different. Like I said earlier, this one reminds me a lot of the red clay and hibiscus one. It's like the perfect mix, in my opinion, of the red clay and hibiscus mask and the Roswell Cocoa Creme wash, not mask. But yeah, I feel like it's just a mix of those two. So I enjoy both of those, and I enjoyed this one just as much. So those are my thoughts on this new. I'm interested in knowing if you guys are going to pick it up. Let me know in the comments section. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up because those really do help my channel out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.